Brian and Jessa, finally, you're here. No? 14 years, no? Sabi ko nga meron palang love life sa pagsasayaw ng folk dance.
14 years na tayong magkasama mula high school hanggang ngayon. Naalala mo pa yung mga panahon na kinikindutan kita nung high school pa tayo. Kitang-kita ko ang saya sa iyong mga mata at kilig na kilig ka pa. Siguro sa isang kindat ko, nahulog ka agad.
Oh, I can't believe it's true. Sometimes, oh, I can't believe it's true. I get to love you.
Kabasahin ko ba? I can't wait to see you waiting for me at the altar and spend the rest of my life with you. I love you so much. Love, your pretty soon-to-be wife.
It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do. I get to love you. I get to love you. I get to love you.
I look at you now and I am reminded of how far we've come together. Today, I stand here ready to make the easiest decision I've ever made, to choose you forever.
I promise that I'll never leave. When it's too heavy to carry, remember this moment with me. I get to love you. I get to love.
With you, love is always first class. I love you, my love.
Kaya ganyan ang binigay ko, ha?
You're mine.
Ang dami na natin pinagdaanan at isa na doon ay pagiging magkalayo. Pero kahit ganon, lagi pa rin tayong nakakapagbigay oras at hindi nawawala ang pagmamahala natin sa isa't isa.
You're mine.
Remember always that love must be more than a feeling. It must be an action, a choice, and a daily commitment to fly together through calm skies and even during turbulence.
Lifetimes I choose you.
Alam kong babalik ka. Sa bawat take-off mo, alam kong sa akin ang landing mo.
And I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do. And I will when the sky is falling. I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, every breath you take, I choose you.
Congratulations! Wish you happiness.
Thank you so much kasi tinuruan mo ako maging strong. Nakuha ko sa'yo yung pagiging strong person. Love you, Mama.
More than just a wedding, this is etched into eternity. With our
Be responsible. Lagi kang lalapit kay Lord. Si Lord lang lagi nating kakampi. Siya lang lagi ang pwede natin tawagan sa lahat ng oras.
'Cause He'd choose us in 100 lifetimes. He'd choose us in 100 worlds. He'd find us, and we'd say we do for the rest of every day and every moment, every breath we take, we choose you.
I vow to love you not just today, but every day through every season of our lives. This is the beginning of the rest of our lives, and I can't wait to walk every step of it.
Hindi man ako perpekto, pero pinapangako ko na lagi ako nandito para sa'yo, kakampi mo, karamay mo, at kasama mo habang buhay.
To my eyes, dear, 'cause this is where it starts. Yes, this is where it starts. I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life. I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life. And this is where it starts. And I'll say I do.
No matter what life brings, I will always choose you. You are my heart, my home, and my forever. I love you to infinity and beyond. My hubby.
Kahit gaano pa, kalayo ang distansya nating dalawa. I will stay loyal, patient, and proud of you. I will wait for you, support you, and love you every day. Mahal na mahal kita, B.
And every day, every moment, and every breath you take, I choose you.